Yes, welcome to our channel Education with Sri Vidya. In this video, we are going to discuss about report card comments, which is very much helpful for the teachers. Always start with a positive note. Let the parents know in general statement how the teacher is feeling about the child. For example, your child is continues to have a great year. Your child has made very good academic excellence, and overall continuous comprehensive evaluation of the child has been given in this statement positively. So it's truly been pleasure in getting your child, and the child is learning and growing. So these are few examples of which should start with a positive note. Now, the second one is to provide the specific information across several different areas, which means now let parents know how to view their child as a person, being a classmate or a student. You may notice several of the child in reading, communication, and in maths stems and in maths calculations. So from common course standards, let us discuss in detail each one of them. Now the third one is personal attributes. That means how the child is behaving in the class, whether he is kind, whether he is caring, whether he is friendly in the class, is he accepting the new challenges in the class, so is he the active participant in the group discussions, and is he an enthusiastic learner, he or she. So he arrives to school every day within a mean time. Is he respectful, is he or she respectful. So all these comes under personal attributes. Now comes with the behavior of the child, how he is in the class, how he is behaving in the class, whether he is polite, whether he is manageable, and whether he is a role model in the class, and he makes the good choices in all the parts, and how he is with the adults and peer groups. So this comes with the behavior of the student, whether he is good or bad. Now the fifth one comes with the social skills. Behavior skills we have learned, that comes within the classroom, and this social skills comes in and out of the classroom. So how is the child behaving out of the classroom, when he is out with of the class? That means how he is with the friends when he is out of the class. So along with the others in the classroom, how he is when he is playing in the playground, and how values or morals he is giving to the others, and treat others fairly, and all this comes under social skills. Next comes with the communication part of the child, whether he listens to the ideas, opinions, comments, he shares appropriate ideas, he gives relevant information, he asks questions, seeks clarification, whether he is demonstrating his ideas, he an active listener, active participant, is he or she participating in larger group, small group discussions. So everything, every communication, every turn, every movement of the child participating in the class, speaking with the teacher, comes with the in the communication part. Next, seventh comes with the reading part of the child, and how well he is reading in the class, how he is understanding. He used to read, analyze, and comprehend in a general way. He or she should read the comprehension fluently and understands the dialogue with expression. So he used to demonstrate and understand the text in a systematical way. Next comes with the writing part. So this is the most important skill where the child continues to blossom. So, this conveys the child thoughts and ideas very clearly. So, the strong grasp of organization in her writing. So, the topic will use the relevant details and the great written thoughts he or she is already putting on the paper. So, she or the child is used the strong descriptive language, so which can visualize what is being described. She has a very good and great improvement in spelling, and she or he learns the comprehensive level of learning and capitalization, punctuation, each and every thing she or he needs to learn in this. Ninth one comes with the math. The student should know the basic math operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the basic math operations, if the child knows, then he can able to solve all the word problems. And he must understand the place value, the round numbers and everything. Once if the child knows the place value, and he can uses to the nearest round numbers, and he must be knowing the relationship between addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, and he can use identify the attributes of 2 and 3 dimensional objects, and he needs to identify the measurement tools like length, breadth, volume, time, money, temperature and all. And uses of charts and graphs is mandatory, and once if the child knows this, he can able to do the problems individually. Now comes with the strategies for improvement. Teacher must help students to set his or her goals. Simply add beginnings such as your child would benefit from. This quarter will be working on. I would like to see your child to work on. Your child needs to pay closer attention to, for example, so and so subject, math. Your child needs to pay closer attention towards math subject. One area for improvement is. So these are the strategies for improvement. Now comes with the closing. So this boosts the students with the confidence. So like I'm so proud that I have accomplished. So he is an amazing student. He can shine. He can truly shine. So I can hardly wait to see how you impress during the next quarter. Looking forward to had a terrific quarter, and I'm confident and one will be even better.